Hello, it's Minnie. Today in this video, I'm going to be making these daisy flower nails with a gold chrome accent and hand-painted Usagi Chan from Sailor Moon. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by removing my existing gel polish using this cute portable electric nail file. It comes with different attachments for natural nail preparation and a charging cable. Today I'm using a drill bit that is suited for gel removal. It's super easy to control with this on and off button with 5 speed choices. And with this button up here allows you to switch between forward and reverse settings. I'm going to remove the top coat and most of the color gel, then soak in acetone for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I gently scrape to remove softened gel, then file the shape. Now I'm going to clean up my nails and cuticles with a cuticle softener. I'm going to trim the excess cuticle, then buff, wipe with the alcohol, and my nails are all ready for painting. I'm going to start with a base coat, then cure for 1 minute. Then I apply a layer of harder gel for an extra support for my long nails, then cure again. Today I'm going to use this soft white color as a base. I'm going to apply just 1 layer of this color and apply this flaky glitter on a sticky surface. I'm going to cover with a matte top coat. Now I'm going to hand paint the daisy flowers with a white paint gel. I'm going to cover with a matte top coat, then draw the center of the flower with a combination of a paint gel and a chrome gel. Cure for 30 seconds, then rub a gold chrome powder. Apply a top coat to complete. I'm going to repeat the same steps on my index finger, but this time I'm going to add a chrome frame kind of design on the corners. After applying the chrome powder, remove the excess powder with a makeup sponge. Apply a top coat. On my middle finger, I'm going to hand paint the moon using the same combination of a paint gel and a chrome gel. After applying the chrome powder, I've decided to add another layer to add some texture. I'm going to decorate the moon with some small daisies. Apply a matte top coat over the daisies, then draw the chrome center. I'm going to fill the space with more daisies, then apply a top coat to complete. For the hand-painted Usagi-chan, I'm going to start with a rough outline so that I know roughly where each facial part should be, and also I can make sure that Usagi-chan will fit in a nail. Once it's done, I'm going to start coloring in, then draw the details on top. Now that Usagi Chan is complete, I'm going to smooth out the surface with a top coat. Then I add some daisies. Apply a matte top coat, then draw the chrome center. I'm going to apply a shiny top coat just on the chrome center to keep the rest matte. Finally, all done! Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about this design, please let me know in the comments. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.